Hello kids! Welcome to our fun learning video. Today we are going to learn the letter A. Can you say A? A. 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 Very good. Letter A has three sounds. A, A. This is capital A. A, with red color. And this is small a, with green color. A is for apple. Apple is a yummy and healthy fruit. Say it with me. A is for apple. Now let's color the apple together. Take your red color and slowly color inside the apple. Wow! It's looking so bright and beautiful. Next, let's color the leaves. Take your green color and color the leaves carefully. Good job! You're doing amazing. Can you spell apple with me? A P P L E Apple. Let's say it again. Apple. A is the first letter of the alphabet. Apple starts with A. You all did a wonderful job learning the letter today. Don't forget to say A for apple. If you liked learning with me, say bye-bye and don't forget to join SFAZ Arts next time for the letter B.